Every single day, billions of people use a smartphone. Yet most of us are making the exact same mistakes. Mistakes that slowly reduce battery life, slow down performance, damage storage, and in some cases, permanently shorten the lifespan of the device. The scary part? Most people don't even realize they're doing them. Today on Tech On, we're counting down the 10 biggest smartphone mistakes everyone still make and how you can avoid them. Mistake number 10, never restarting your phone. Let's start with something incredibly simple. Your smartphone isn't designed to stay awake forever. Think of your phone's memory like a busy office desk. Throughout the day, apps leave behind temporary files, cached information, and background processes. Eventually, that desk becomes cluttered. Restarting your phone clears many temporary processes, refreshes system memory, and often resolves small software glitches before they become bigger problems. You don't need to restart every day, but doing it once every few days is one of the easiest ways to keep your phone running smoothly. Mistake number 9, installing random apps. Free apps can become expensive, not because of money, but because of your privacy. Sometimes, you're paying with your personal information. Imagine giving someone the keys to your house just because they offered you a free gift. That's exactly what happens when you approve every permission without reading it. Does a simple flashlight app really need access to your contacts or your microphone? Probably not. Before tapping Allow, ask yourself if the permission actually makes sense. Mistake number 8, ignoring software updates. Every month, cybersecurity researchers discover new weaknesses in smartphone software. Think of these weaknesses like tiny cracks in a locked door. Software updates don't just add new features, they seal those cracks before someone finds a way inside. Updates also improve battery optimization, camera processing, and often make your phone faster and more stable. Delaying updates for weeks or even months means missing out on those important improvements. Mistake number 7, filling your storage completely. Imagine moving into a new house. At first, everything is organized, plenty of room, plenty of space. Now imagine filling every room, every closet, every hallway, until there's nowhere left to walk. Finding anything becomes difficult. Your smartphone works the same way. It constantly moves temporary files while apps are running. When storage is almost full, it has no room left to work efficiently. Apps slow down, photos take longer to process, and updates may even fail. Try to keep at least 15 to 20% of your storage free whenever possible. Mistake number 6, using low-quality chargers. Electricity is a lot like water flowing through a pipe. A quality charger carefully controls the flow. A poor quality charger may deliver unstable power, generate excess heat, or lack important safety protections, while modern smartphones include protection circuits. Using certified chargers from trusted brands helps ensure safer charging, better efficiency, and greater peace of mind. Sometimes, saving a few dollars on a charger simply isn't worth the risk. Mistake number 5, keeping maximum brightness on all day. Every pixel on your display is actually a tiny light source. Imagine millions of miniature light bulbs working together to create your screen. The brighter you make them, the more electricity they consume. Maximum brightness also creates additional heat, especially on OLED displays. Today, automatic brightness has become remarkably accurate. Let your phone adjust itself whenever possible. Your battery will thank you. Mistake number 4, constantly force closing every app. This might be one of the biggest smartphone myths still alive today. Many people believe swiping away every app will make their phone faster and save battery life. But modern smartphones don't work that way. Android and iPhone automatically place unused apps into a low-power state, where they consume very little processing power. Think of it like placing a bookmark in a book. The page is saved, ready to continue exactly where you left off. But if you throw the book away every single time, you'll have to find it, open it, and locate your page all over again. That's exactly what happens when you force close an app. Your phone has to reload everything from scratch the next time you open it, which often uses more processing power than simply waking the app from memory. Of course, if an app freezes, stops responding, or starts draining your battery, closing it is still the right thing to do. Otherwise, let your phone manage its memory the way it was designed to. Mistake number 3, charging your phone the wrong way. Charging your phone has become much smarter than it used to be, yet many people still follow advice from 10 years ago. One of the biggest myths is that charging your phone overnight automatically destroys the battery. Thankfully, that's no longer true for most modern smartphones. Today's devices use intelligent charging systems that slow down or pause charging once the battery reaches full capacity. The real enemy isn't overnight charging, it's heat. Heat is one of the biggest causes of long-term battery wear. Gaming while fast charging, recording high-resolution video, or leaving your phone inside a hot car can all raise battery temperatures significantly. If you want your battery to last for years, keep your phone cool. Use a certified charger and enable features like battery protection or optimized charging whenever they're available. Mistake number 2, never cleaning your phone. Your smartphone spends every day in your pocket, your bag, your hands, and sometimes places you'd rather not think about. Dust, lint, and tiny particles slowly build up inside the charging port, around the speakers, and across the camera lenses. Think of your charging port like an electrical socket. Even a tiny piece of pocket lint can prevent the charging cable from making proper contact. That's why many people think their charger is broken, when all they really need is a careful cleaning. A microfiber cloth and gentle cleaning every few weeks can make a surprising difference. Mistake number 1, never backing up your data. Finally, the biggest mistake of them all, assuming your phone will never fail. Phones get stolen, screens break, batteries fail, water accidents happen. Imagine losing 5 years of family photos, vacation memories, important messages, and videos you'll never be able to recreate. Phones can always be replaced, memories cannot. Whether you use Google Drive, Samsung Cloud, iCloud, or another trusted backup service, make sure your memories are protected before it's too late. Smartphones have become more intelligent than ever before, but even the smartest technology can't protect us from bad habits. Avoid these 10 mistakes, and your phone will stay faster, safer, and healthier for years to come. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to see it, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech On, because here, we don't just talk about technology, we explain the science behind it. Until next time, this is Tech On, anytime.